Solids, liquids, gases, and dark energy. First, some background. The mass of an object is different than its weight. Here are three short definitions. Mass is the atomic and molecular makeup of an object. Mass is determined by the amount of matter in an object. Mass is defined as an object's resistance to a change in motion. The mass of an object is always the same. The definition of weight is the current force on an object. Weight can change. Example, the weight of a person is more on Earth than the moon, and more on the moon than in empty space. What has the most mass, solids, liquids, or gases? Solids, followed by liquids and then gases. Why? The density of solids is more. The particles, atoms, and molecules are packed together. They are less so in liquids and the least in gases. Dark energy is a weak force of energy that is 70% of the universe and expands the universe everywhere there is empty space. Dark energy acts like an anti-gravity force. Dark energy cannot expand inside an atom or molecule. Here's where it gets interesting. My suggestion is that dark energy affects solids, liquids, and gases differently. The more packed together the particles are, the less dark energy. Dark energy can only expand from the empty space in those particles. The less dark energy can expand, the greater the mass because of it. See drawing. The dots represent the particles such as atoms and molecules. Gas. The top third is of a gas. The particles are spread out and dark energy can push from inside the gas as well as all sides of the emptiness around the gas. The gas has little mass. The dark energy in the empty space inside the gas is about equal to that outside the gas. There is an equilibrium of dark energy and gases have very little masses. Liquid. Next is liquid. The particles are more consolidated than a gas, but less so than a solid. Just a little dark energy can expand out of the empty space inside the liquid, while the amount from empty space all around it stays the same as the top drawing. The liquid has more mass than the gas. There's more dark energy pushing into the liquid than dark energy inside the liquid pushing out. Therefore, there is more mass. Solid. Finally, there is a solid. The particles are extremely concentrated, more so than either a gas or liquid. Hardly any dark energy can come from inside the solid because there is not empty space that can expand. All of the dark energy comes from the empty space around it. The solid has more mass than the liquid or gas. There is almost all the dark energy expansion pushing into the solid and none pushing back. Solids have the most mass. Take this a step further and say the solid was a black hole. In that example, no dark energy can come out of the black hole because there is no empty space inside a black hole. All dark energy would come from the space around the black hole pushing in. None would escape from the black hole pushing back. Mass should be the highest with a black hole. Summary. Dark energy can explain mass and why it is always the same. The force of dark energy expanding from empty space can explain mass. Weight would be different because of its surroundings, whether the Earth or the Moon was behind the gas, liquid, or solid, that would block dark energy expansion. See my other videos on how this fits my larger model. Thank you.